All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. And we're still inside our high level blockchain fundamentals module. So let's pick up what we left off from yesterday. Let's talk about two types of attacks that can happen in these blockchain worlds. The first one is going to be the Sybil attack. And the Sybil attack is when a user creates a whole bunch of fake accounts to try and influence a network. Obviously, with Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is really difficult because a user needs to do all the computations in the proof of work, or have a ton of collateral in proof of stake, which is something else we will talk about when we talk about proof of stake. The other, more prevalent attack is known as a 51% attack. As we saw, as part of our consensus protocol, the blockchains is going to agree that the longest chain is the one that they are going to go with, so long as it matches up to 51% of the rest of the network. Now, 51% attack, this means if we have the largest chain and we have more than 51% of the rest of the network, we can do what is called a fork in the network and bring the network onto our longest chain. Now, 51% attacks are known to happen with Ethereum Classic networks, which is not Ethereum. This is its own separate thing. This is why the biggest blockchain is, the more decentralized, secure it becomes. Although proof of work offers a very secure system, it has its drawbacks also. The proof of work uses a lot of energy. This is because every single node is running as fast as they can to win the race of solving a blockchain problem to win a reward in fees. This is why a lot of platforms move to the proof of stake system, which is more environmentally friendly. Now, that's some of the things we went over in yesterday's module. Like I said, it's still the same module. This is going to be a long one. We haven't finished it yet. So, of course, I'll finish it up tonight and I'll keep you posted on the new news tomorrow. But, of course, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.